Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious yellow cupcakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's craft that perfect batter. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding your dry ingredients and milk, starting and ending with the dry mixture to achieve a smooth, consistent batter. It's time to bake our golden perfection. Line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners and fill each about 2/3 full with your delicious batter. Place them in your preheated oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they are done when a wooden toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then move them to a wire rack. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and decorate your beautiful cupcakes. Prepare your favorite buttercream frosting, ensuring it's smooth and ready for piping or spreading. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, generously frost each one. This is where you can get creative. Add colorful sprinkles, edible glitter, or any other fun decorations to make them truly special and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.